Hello. Today, let's make a nice comparison video with two really good watches out there. One side is the Apple Watch Series 11, brand new on the market. But on the other side, I'm going to use the Apple Watch Ultra. Yeah, the second edition. Wow, that's a nice battle, I think, because both are really good smartwatches. Of course. Let's start with the first design and display. The Ultra 2 remains the titanium tank, a large 49mm case, extremely robust, with sapphire crystal and the legendary 3000 nits of brightness level. The design shouts out adventure, adventure comes to me. On Series 11 sides, of course. There stands sticks to its elegant curved design, but with the complement, slimmer body and a slightly reduced bezels. The offering more display area with 41mm or 45mm. I choose the 45mm model. That's perfect for daily wear and formal settings. Of course. The aesthetic difference is the main deciding factor, of course. Sport, tool versus cavalry piece. But be aware, the Ultra has the physical action button, which the Series 11 does not have. Yeah, big facts. Then, performance and battery. Where progress matters, of course. The brand new S11 SiP powers the Series 11. It's not just farther, but this is more crucial. Significantly more efficient than the S9 chip in the Ultra, of course. Despite the more efficient S11 chip, Apple states the S11 tops up to 36 hours of normal use. The Ultra 2 still beats this with its 33 hours normal and up to 72 hours in low power mode. If you track overnight or do multiple days, the Ultra 2 is the clear winner there. And a major Series 11 upgrade is the switch to 5G for a cellular model. This is a game changer for battery efficiency during the mobile usage compared to the 4G LTE and the Ultra 2, of course. But if you does not need a mobile version, you can choose the Ultra or the 11 as you like it. Has durability? This is the decisive features, of course. The undisputed highlight of the Series 11 is the enhanced health tracking. Apple has finally integrated the non-invasive blood pressure detection with the hypertension alerts, a crucial feature that elevates the Series 11, of course. It also includes the advanced sleep and stress analytics features from the Watch Operation System 26. And on the other side, Ultra 2, baby. It remains the champion of endurance. 100-meter water resistant. That's big. That's a dive computer. And the precision dual frequency of GPS in L1 and L5, which is absent in the Series 11. It is built for terrain and extreme sports enthusiasts. And of course, that's nice. Conclusion and let's have a buying advice. I think buy the Series 11 if you want the blood pressure feature, are looking for a sleek watch for everyday use, and prioritize the best efficiency of the cellular use. Buy the Ultra 2 if you need more than 36 hours of battery power, participated in extreme sports, rely on the action button, and value the rugged titanium case. Which one are you choosing? Let me know that in the comment, please. I prefer, of course, you should buy both. The Series 11 for everyday use or for every second day use, and the Ultra 2 for everyday use or every second use, so you can change them frequently. And you have both of both worlds at your breath. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.